everyone. Today we're gonna do Cajun fry, y'all. So here's the list of ingredients. So we have salt and pepper, chili powder, some garlic, paprika, dry oregano, dry thyme, and some onion powder. Okay, use the whisk and whisk everything all together until it's well combined. Like so. Okay, you're gonna clean your potato really well because we're gonna bake the skin on. Cut your potato into a strip like so. Drizzle the potato with a little bit of vegetable oil. Sprinkle your potato with your homemade Cajun seasoning. Okay, you can toss them up really good until it's mixed really well. So today we're gonna use air fryer, so I'm gonna dump everything into the air fryer. I love my Ninja air fryer, it's the best. I use it every day. My husband loves it. We're gonna set the temperature at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Almost done! Yay! Can't wait to try it. Check it out. Whoa! Look at that. Yummy. I can't wait. Oh, the best fry ever. Oh my god. Yum. Check that out, you guys. All finished! Enjoy, and of course I enjoy my fries with ketchup as well. I ketchup everything. I hope you guys give it a try. Check out the recipe down below, y'all. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.